All right, SAT math problem today, number 16. This is a medium College Board question. It says here, figure not drawn to scale, which it typically will say, but often is pretty closely drawn to scale. And it's talking about X and Y right here. It says the lines are parallel. We'll get that in a minute. But X and Y are vertical angles, so the fact that they're parallel really right now doesn't mean much because vertical angles are going to be congruent regardless of whether they're parallel or not. So I can set up this equation, 6k plus 13 equals 8k minus 29. Now I'll just go and solve that on Desmos, but just show you by hand. Subtract 6k from both sides. You get 13 is equal to 2k minus 29. Then add 29 to both sides. Sorry, this pen's hard to write with. Add 29 to both sides, 42 equals 2k, which means k, when you divide, is equal to 21. Now, next up is where z becomes important right here, because when they're parallel, that means these four angles here will match the degree of these four angles here. And when you have that transversal, this T stands for transversal, when it crosses parallel lines, you only have two distinct angle measures. That is one angle measure and its supplement. So if you'll notice, these are obtuse angles pretty clearly, and Z is an acute angle. And I know it's a figure not drawn to scale, but it's going to be the opposite. If even if it's badly not drawn to scale, if these are even say these were acute because it's so bad off of scale, then this would be obtuse. So this is the other, Z is going to be the supplement to X and Y. Another relationship you might remember is Y and Z are called either consecutive interior, or some people say same side interior, which makes them supplementary as well. So what I'm going to do is put 21 in either one of these because these are the same, X and Y. I'll just put it into Y here. We'll multiply this out, 168 minus 29. That's 139. So I need this supplement. Y is 139. So Z is going to be the supplement of 139. And the supplement of 139, if we subtract, that's 41. And notice that 139 is an answer choice, but that is 41. Remember, I'll show you a little bit on Desmos here. Remember, you could just set those equal to each other if you wanted to. 6x plus 13, 8x. I know I'm changing it to x, but it doesn't matter so much. And then minus 29, and I could find that intersection point here. And Desmos is going to click on it for you. So you can see it's the x value, 21. But it also gives you the value of each expression, which is 139. But then you have to go back again and subtract from 180 to get your z value. Z.